On this video, we're just going to have a quick look at the programmable button on the Aerospace and Weldcheck3 series of eddy current flow detectors from Ether NDE. It's this button in the middle here that has no markings. So if I press and hold it, a menu of options will appear that we can assign to this button. So for this example, let's do a screenshot. I select what I want for a screenshot, I press OK. So now this button, whenever I press it, will screenshot. So let me unfreeze the screen. I have my signal here, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to where I want. I'm going to freeze. And now I'm just going to press this button. And the screenshot has been taken. And it's going to be saved here in attachments. And there's our screenshot. So it's a pretty simple but powerful functionality of the instrument where you can assign different functions to one single button and just save you and make it quicker for you to get the information that you need.